I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to show text message previews on your Apple CarPlay screen. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Step 3. Scroll through the list of apps and select Messages. Step 4. Ensure that Allow Notifications is toggled on. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and make sure the switch next to Show in CarPlay is turned on. Step 6. Tap Show Previews and set it to Always or When Unlocked. Choosing Always guarantees message previews show on your Apple CarPlay display regardless of whether your phone screen is locked. If you still don't see text message banners popping up while driving, check your focus settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Focus, and select Driving. Make sure Driving Focus isn't silencing notifications automatically when connected to CarPlay, or add messages to your allowed notifications list within that focus mode. Alternatively, you can enable Announce Notifications under Settings, then Apple Intelligence and Siri to have Siri read incoming text out loud as soon as they arrive. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.